In this video, I'll give you 35 easy ways to make passive income. Make sure you stay until the very end because I've saved the absolute easiest ways to make passive income for last. These last few ideas don't require any upfront investment of time or money, so you won't want to miss them. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to make more money, make sure that you subscribe and click the bell. That way you never miss an upload. So first, let's talk about the passive income ideas that require money. Number 1, dividend stocks. One way to create passive income is by investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders in the form of dividends. This can provide you with a regular stream of income that doesn't require much effort on your part. Number 2, rental properties. Another way to create passive income is by owning rental properties. Rental properties can be a great way to make money while you sleep, as the rent payments will come in each month whether or not you are actively managing the property. Number 3, high-yield savings accounts and money market funds. High-yield savings accounts are distinct from regular savings accounts in that they offer a greater interest rate, allowing your funds to grow even more rapidly as they remain in your account. Money market funds are fixed income mutual funds that invest in debt securities characterized by short maturities and minimal credit risks. I know that might kind of sound a little confusing, but these types of funds are known as one of the lowest volatility types of investments. Number 4, crypto passive income opportunities. Recently, crypto savings accounts have become very well known because they give much higher rates of return on your money. Keep in mind, though, that these aren't really savings accounts. Rather, these are lending and investment accounts that allow you to make a high yield on your crypto. Number 5, CD ladders. To build a CD ladder, you have to buy certificates of deposits, also known as CDs, from banks in specific increments so that you can make a higher return on your money. Certificates of deposits are offered by banks, and because they have minimal risk, they also yield a low return. Number 6, annuities. Annuities are an insurance product that you can purchase, and it can give you a nice little stream of passive income with monthly payments. Terms for annuities can differ, and they may not always be the best to get into, so remember to always talk to a financial advisor if you think buying an annuity is for you. Number 7, invest automatically in the stock market. A robo-advisor can help you automatically invest in the stock market in several ways. Just like the name suggests, a robo-advisor is a robotic financial advisor. All you have to do is take some time and fill out a few questions, get your account all set up, and your robo-advisor will take care of the rest. Number 8, invest in a REIT, also known as a real estate investment trust. If you're looking for a way to invest in real estate and earn passive income, you may want to consider investing in a REIT. A REIT is a real estate investment trust, and it allows you to invest in a variety of different properties, from commercial to residential. This can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and earn passive income from real estate investments. Number 9, invest in a business. When you invest in a business, you are essentially buying a portion of the business and becoming a shareholder. This can provide you with a regular stream of income, as the business will typically pay out dividends to its shareholders. While there is some risk involved in investing in a business, there is also the potential for greater returns. Number 10, invest in student income share agreements. Student income share agreements are a type of investment where you give a student money in exchange for a percentage of their future income. This can be a great way to help a student pay for their education while also earning a return on your investment. As the student's income increases, so does your income. Number 11, refinance your mortgage. Refinancing your mortgage means that you are replacing your current mortgage with a new one. This new mortgage will have different terms, such as a different interest rate or a different length of time. Refinancing your mortgage can be a great way to save money on your monthly payments. This might seem odd to include in a passive income video, but it can save a lot of money over time and is definitely worth checking out. Remember, the more money that you save is the more money that's going in your pocket. Number 12, pay off or reduce debt. For every dollar you spend on debt, you're losing money because you're not earning interest on that money. Just like refinancing your mortgage, paying off or reducing debt may not directly fall under the category of passive income, but it can go a long way to help you build real, lasting wealth. Number 13, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a way for individuals to borrow money from other individuals. This can be a great way to get a loan without going through a bank. Peer-to-peer lending can also provide you with a regular stream of income, as the borrowers typically pay back their loans with interest. This can be a great way to invest your money and earn a return on your investment. Number 14, take advantage of your matching contributions. A matching contribution is a contribution that your employer makes to your 401k plan. This can be a great way to save for retirement and earn passive income at the same time. Your employer will typically match a certain percentage of your contributions, so be sure to take advantage of this benefit. Now, let's go over some passive income ideas that require time. Number 15, sell an ebook online. Creating an ebook is a great way to share your knowledge with the world, and self-publishing is a very easy process. All you need to do is write your book, format it, and publish it. You can then sell your ebook on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or other online stores. Number 16, create a course on Udemy. Udemy is a platform where you can find and create online courses. These courses can be on a wide variety of topics, from business to cooking to photography. When you create a course on Udemy, you can keep 70 to 85% of the profits. Number 17, selling stock photos. All you need to do is take photographs, upload them to a stock photo site, and wait for the money to start rolling in. Number 18, licensing music. If you're a musician, you may want to consider licensing your music. This is a process where you give someone else the right to your music for a specific purpose. This can be a great way to make money and to get your music out there. Number 19, create an app. All you need to do is come up with an idea for an app, create a prototype, and submit it to an app store. If your app is accepted, you will start making money. If you're not sure how to create an app, you may want to consider hiring someone to do it for you. There are a number of app development companies out there that can help you create an app for a fee. Number 20, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission when someone buys it through your link. To start affiliate marketing, you need a website or blog, and you need to be able to generate traffic to your website. This can be a great way to make money and to promote products that you believe in. Number 21, network marketing. You can make money with network marketing by creating a team that works below you, and then you can earn commissions from their sales without having to do that much work. This process is also referred to as multi-level marketing. Number 22, design t-shirts. To get started, you need to create a t-shirt design, upload it to a t-shirt printing company, and start selling them. You may want to consider selling your t-shirt designs on Amazon Merch. Amazon Merch is a platform where you can sell your t-shirt designs to Amazon customers. Just upload your design, and Amazon will take care of everything else, such as making it, packing it, and shipping it. Number 23, sell digital files on Etsy. Digital files are items that you can download and print yourself. They can be anything from invitations to wall art to wedding programs. To sell digital files on Etsy, you need to create a digital product listing, upload your files, and set your price. Now, let's talk about some semi-passive small business ideas. Number 24, list your place on Airbnb. Airbnb is a platform where you can list your place for rent and make money. All you need to do is create a listing, describe your place, and set your price. There will be a little work required though. You'll need to meet your guests, show them around, and answer any questions they have, as well as clean up after them. But other than that, it's pretty passive. Number 25, rent out your space. If you don't have a room or a house to list on Airbnb, fear not. You can always rent out your extra space for people needing storage. You can use a platform like Neighbor to rent out any extra space you may have so other people can store their stuff. You can rent out your driveway, garage, or business storage space. Number 26, car wash. There will be some routine maintenance from time to time, but other than that, a car wash is a great passive income stream. Number 27, rent out your car. In the same way that you can list your home for rent or a room for rent, you can also list your car for rent. You can use a platform like Turo to rent your car to people and make passive income whenever you aren't using your car. Number 28, vending machines. There are a few things you can do to make money with vending machines. You can either place vending machines in high traffic areas, or you can place machines in businesses. You can also stock your vending machines with a variety of items to appeal to different customers. Number 29, storage rentals. You can own a set of storage rentals and receive monthly checks for letting other people rent these out. You might have to do a little work filling an opening for an available storage unit, but other than that, it's pretty much passive. Number 30, laundromat. One easy way to make passive income is by owning a laundromat. Laundromats are a necessary service for most people, and they are always in demand. Now, before I move on to the top 5 easiest ways to earn passive income with no money and no time, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Also, type the word yes down in the comments below if you are going to try one of these passive income ideas today. So now let's look at some easy passive income ideas that require no money and no time. Number 31, cashback rewards cards. If you are paying your bills using a credit card, be sure it has cashback rewards. This is easy money you can put toward another passive income idea. Number 32, cashback sites. Try using a cashback site when you shop online. This is basically free money, so you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Number 33, get paid to have an app on your phone. Yes, you can actually download an app and get paid just for having it on your phone. It will track what you do on your phone and it will sell your data, but still, it's an incredibly passive way to make some extra money. If this is something you're interested in, you can check out Nielsen Digital. Number 34, use cashback apps. You can also use cashback apps that can help you get a little extra cash from the shopping you're doing. Some apps that do this are Dosh and Honey. Number 35, save on your utilities. This is more passive saving rather than passive income, but hey, a penny saved is a penny earned, right? Just remember, the more money you can save, the more money that's going back in your pocket. If you want to know how to make money online, click the video on the screen. Here I'll give you a list of some killer online money-making ideas.